Hey, what's up, guys? And today we're diving headfirst into the world of Irish sea moss. We're talking about the top 10 benefits of this incredible sea vegetable. Whether you're into health and wellness, skincare, or just curious about superfoods, I've got you covered. We're breaking down each benefit, exploring what makes Irish sea moss special and why you need it in your life. Let's get started. First up, let's dive into the wonders of Irish sea moss. This isn't just any seaweed. It's a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits. Imagine having a superfood that can boost your overall well-being, right there, always accessible, always ready to enhance your life. Irish sea moss is packed with vitamins and minerals. It supports your health, improves nutrition, and boosts energy levels. Add it to smoothies, soups, or use it as a thickening agent. Rich in iodine, calcium, potassium, and vitamins A, C, E, and K, it provides essential nutrients. It can boost the immune system, improve digestion, and support thyroid health. Use it topically to soothe and hydrate your skin. Irish sea moss is versatile, fitting into your diet and beauty routine effortlessly. Available in gels, powders, and capsules, it's easy to incorporate into your lifestyle. Elevate your recipes and beauty routine with this incredible superfood. Embrace natural health with Irish sea moss. It's about making wellness work for you right from the sea. Next up, let's dive into the world of skincare and how Irish sea moss can be a game changer. Imagine applying a natural, nutrient-rich mask that leaves your skin feeling rejuvenated and glowing. Irish sea moss is packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish your skin, making it a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. Gone are the days of relying solely on chemical-laden products. Irish sea moss offers a natural alternative that hydrates, soothes, and revitalizes your skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and irritation, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. But the benefits of Irish sea moss don't stop at skincare. It's also a powerhouse for digestion. Incorporating it into your diet can help improve gut health, thanks to its high fiber content. This natural superfood supports a healthy digestive system, making you feel better from the inside out. Imagine starting your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie that not only tastes great but also supports your digestive health. Irish sea moss is rich in prebiotics, which feed the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a balanced microbiome and better overall digestion. Whether you add it to your smoothies, soups, or salads, Irish sea moss is a versatile ingredient that can enhance your meals while providing numerous health benefits. Its natural thickening properties make it a great addition to various recipes, adding both texture and nutrition. We're looking for ways to improve our health and well-being, and Irish sea moss offers a simple yet effective solution. Its ability to support digestion and nourish the skin makes it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Imagine feeling more energized, with clearer skin and a happier gut. And let's not forget about the overall sense of well-being that comes with using natural products like Irish sea moss. It's about embracing a healthier lifestyle and making choices that benefit both your body and mind. So whether you're looking to enhance your skincare routine or improve your digestion, Irish sea moss is a fantastic option to consider. We need solutions that align with our busy lives, providing benefits that are both effective and convenient. Irish sea moss fits perfectly into this narrative, offering a natural way to boost your health and well-being. So explore the wonders of Irish sea moss and discover how it can transform your skincare and digestion. Whether you're looking to enhance your beauty regimen or support your digestive health, Irish sea moss is a versatile and powerful ally. Embrace the benefits of this incredible sea vegetable and see how it can elevate your daily routine to new heights. Chapter 3. Now, let's dive deeper into the incredible benefits of Irish sea moss. Irish sea moss is not just a trendy superfood, it's packed with nutrients that can boost your overall health. One of its standout benefits is its ability to enhance your immune system. Rich in vitamins and minerals including vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc, Irish sea moss helps fortify your body's natural defenses. Regular consumption of Irish sea moss can help your body fend off infections and illnesses, keeping you healthier year-round. It's like giving your immune system a natural boost, helping you stay resilient against common colds and other ailments. Another remarkable benefit of Irish sea moss is its support for thyroid health. The thyroid gland plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism, energy levels, and overall hormonal balance. Irish sea moss is a natural source of iodine, a mineral essential for proper thyroid function. By providing your body with the iodine it needs, Irish sea moss helps maintain a healthy thyroid, which in turn supports your metabolism and energy levels. This can be particularly beneficial for those with thyroid imbalances or those looking to support their overall endocrine health. But that's not all. Irish sea moss is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and support joint health. It's a versatile superfood that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, whether in smoothies, soups, or as a supplement. Trust me, incorporating Irish sea moss into your diet is a game changer. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, support your thyroid, or simply enhance your overall well-being, this natural powerhouse has got you covered. It's a small addition to your diet that can make a big difference in your health and vitality. Chapter 4. Let's dive into the world of Irish sea moss, shall we? And by world, I mean the delicious ways you can add this superfood to your meals. That's right, we're talking about incorporating Irish sea moss into your diet. Imagine this. You start your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie or a slice of toast topped with Irish sea moss gel. You can also add it to soups and stews for an extra health boost. Irish sea moss is all about enhancing your meals with its rich nutrients. But it goes beyond just nutrition. It's about creating delicious and healthy dishes. Blend it into your smoothies, mix it into your salads, and even brew it into a soothing tea, all with the versatility of Irish sea moss. The future of healthy eating is here, and it's tastier than ever. Chapter 6. Let's delve into the fascinating history and sourcing of Irish sea moss. Irish sea moss, also known as Chondrus crispus, has been used for centuries, particularly in Ireland and the Caribbean. It thrives in the rocky parts of the Atlantic coastlines, where it is commonly found and harvested. The harvesting process is often done by hand, ensuring that the sea moss is sustainably collected. Today, both traditional and modern methods are used to harvest and process this nutrient-rich seaweed. Irish sea moss is now widely available and used in a variety of health and wellness products. Its popularity continues to grow as more people discover its numerous benefits and versatile uses. Outrow. So there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of Irish sea moss. From boosting your immune system and improving digestion to enhancing skin health and providing essential nutrients, this superfood is a game changer for your overall well-being. Why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? Let me know in the comments below how you plan to incorporate Irish sea moss into your routine. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more awesome health content. See you in the next one.